Dear all, in this video I'll be discussing about heads of various organization which is locating at different corners of world and important position holders. Okay, you have to see the information. First column consists of department or position and the second person the head. Okay, head of that particular organization. So moving on to the first point, Commonwealth. The head of Commonwealth is Queen Elizabeth II. Similarly, head of Commonwealth, Secretary in General, Patricia, Scotland. Okay. Similarly, head of Federal Reserves and the chairperson. Okay, chairperson, Jerome Powell, and the president of FIFA, Giovanni Vincenzo Infantino from Switzerland. President of International Court of Justice, Abdul Qawi Yusuf, who is from Somalia. International Cricket Council Chairman of ICCI, Shashank Manohar. International Cricket Council CEO, Chief Executive Officer of International Cricket Council, David Richardson. Director General of International Labour Organization, short form is ILO, Guy Ryder, ILO. Okay. Similarly, International Monetary Fund, short form is IMF. Who is the Managing Director of International Monetary Fund? Christine Lagrange. Similarly, International Olympic Committee President Thomas Bach. Who is the President of Interpol? Meng Hongwei. Term ended in the year of 2018. Similarly, Acting President of Interpol. Okay, right now Acting President of Interpol is Kim Jong Yang, Senior Vice President. Who is the Secretary General of Interpol? Jürgen Stock. Who is the Administrator of NASA? Jim Bridenstine. Who is the Secretary General of OPEC? Mohammed Sansui Berkindo. Similarly, Secretary General of SAARC, okay, in Asian region, Ahmed Hossein B. Sial. Director General of UNESCO is Audrey Azoulay, who is a female. Okay, if we have written that is female, that indicates female. Who is the Executive Director of UNICEF? Henrietta H. Ford. Secretary General of United Nations, Antonio Guterres. Antonio, this is very important. Okay, Secretary General of UN, Antonio Guterres. Chief Economist of World Bank is Penelope Konjanu Goldberg. President of World Bank is Jim Yong Kim. Very important, Jim Yong Kim. Okay, who is the President of World Bank? Director General of WHO, World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, and Director General of WTO, World Trade Organization, Roberto Azevedo. Okay, so these are the popular department or organization, and these are the head of that particular organization. Okay, you have to remember this. We can expect these kind of questions for different type of competitive examination. You have to remember any cost, so you can make your own shortcut to remember. Okay, better you can revise frequently so that it can be memorized. Finally, thank you very much for watching this video. For technical studies, you can visit my channel, another channel. Finally, thanks a lot for listening. Good luck for your examination.